Today at White Coast Marine, we're taking a look back at a recent project. We were instructed to oversee the restoration of this beautiful Sunseeker Tomahawk 37 Mark II. She's a 1994 model. So far we have refreshed all of the gel coat with extensive cutting, polishing and waxing. The upholstery and bimini top were replaced. We have overhauled and serviced both of the engines and stern drives and fitted new propellers. The hull was cleaned and anti-fouled, and the owners now have a very usable classic sports cruiser to enjoy here on the Costa Blanca. We love projects like this, so if you want to bring a classic back to life, White Coast Marine can help you make it happen. I'm going to leave you with a couple of running shots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.